Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third question in exercise 5.2. Now let us look at the question first. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the box. So this question has 5 subdivision. Let us take the first one. So it says 2 dash and 26. So you need to understand in AP, the middle term is a relation with the corner term. So let's understand it. If I call the middle term as this unknown variable, then it is going to be equal to 2 times, I'm going to keep this missing value as x, is equal to the sum of the other two terms on the sides. So 2x is equal to 2 plus 26. So this gives up 28. So x is going to be equal to 14. So the missing value in this case is 14. Now let us look at the next one. So here dash comma 13 comma dash comma 3. So as I said in the previous case, I'm going to start here because this looks like a middle number. So for this middle number, the relation is 2 times of this middle number is the sum of these two numbers. So 2 times of y is equal to 13 plus 3. So that is 16. So 2 times of y is 16. So y is equal to 8. So we found the value of the first missing term in this case, that is 8. Now let us look at this second missing term. So what is the relation? If I know the common difference, I can subtract the difference from the second term to get this value. So let's find the common difference. So common difference in this case D is going to be third term minus the second term. So 8 minus 13, which is minus 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from 13 and I will get the value of the first term. So 13 minus of minus 5 is equal to 18. So this number is 18. Now let us look at the third missing series. 5 comma dash comma dash comma 9.5. Okay, now we need to find out what is going to be this value and this value. Ideally speaking, in an AP, if the first term is a, the second term is a plus b, the third term is a plus 2d, so the fourth term is a plus 3d. So using this relationship, I'm going to subtract 5 from 9 1/2. Okay. So if I subtract a plus 3d, a from a plus 3d, I will get 3d. So in this case, 9.5 minus 5 is equal to 3d. So this is 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3d. So after taking LCM and subtracting, this is going to be 9 by 2 is equal to 3d. So d is equal to 9 by 2 by 3. So this is 9 by 6 or 3 by 2. So we found the common difference to be 3 by 2. Now let us calculate the second term. So how do you calculate the second term? We got to add the common difference to the first term. So 5 plus 3 by 2, which is after taking LCM 10 plus 3. So this is 13 by 2. So the second term here is 13 by 2. Now let's do the next one. So the next term can be got by adding 3 by 2 to 13 by 2. So if you add, this is going to be 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. So the next term here is 8. So like this, we found the missing value of the AP. Now let us look at the next series. So in this case, minus 4 followed by 4 dashes, then 6. So as we did in the previous case, this term is A, then this is A plus D, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, and last this is a plus 5d. So if I subtract from 6 minus 4, I will be getting the value of 5d. So 6 minus of minus 4 is plus 10, which is equal to 5d. Therefore, d is equal to 2. So now that we got the value of d, you can simply add d from minus 4 for every term to get all the terms. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So like that we have filled the missing values. Now for the last term, so let us do this. It is a dash followed by 38 followed by 3 dashes 1, 2, 3 and then a minus 22. So let us note these terms. So this is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and A plus 5D. Now, if I subtract a plus d from a plus 5d, I will get the value of 4d. So, 4d is equal to minus 22 minus 38. So, you add this up. So, this is going to become minus 60. So, 4d is minus 60. That means d is equal to minus 15. So d is equal to minus 15. Now we are going to generate each terms, right? So from the second term, I need to get the first term, which means I need to subtract the d. So 38 minus of minus 15 is plus 15. So 38 plus 15 is equal to 53. So this term is 53. Now I have to add minus 15 to 38 to get the next term. So essentially 38 minus 15. So this is going to be 23. So the next term here is 23. Now again I need to perform a minus 15 to get the next term. So 23 minus 15 is going to be equal to 8. So I get to have the next term. So from 8, I need to do another minus 15 to get the next term, which is minus 7. So in this way, using the relation of A plus D, 2D and so on, we were able to fill the missing values in this AP series. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.